Hi everyone! In this video we'll see how to make sambar or sambar, and this is my mother's recipe, so this is how I have been eating it since my childhood. I hope you like it. Let's get started. For this recipe we need Tovar dal. This dal is also called as Arhar dal, so we need 3/4 cup. I'm using the unpolished dal here. Wash this dal 2 times with water, so you need to wash it once, drain the excess water, again wash. And then after that transfer this dal to your pressure cooker. Add 1 teaspoon crushed garlic and half teaspoon crushed ginger. Yes, if you add these two while cooking, it would enhance the flavor of the sambar. Now add 1/4 teaspoon turmeric or haldi powder. 1.5 cup water approximately, and some salt. Now place the lid of your pressure cooker and you need to pressure cook this dal for 4 to 5 whistles. Basically the dal should be done really well. And once the dal is cooked, you need to let the pressure cooker's pressure release on its own. So check that, and after that open the pressure cooker. So this is what the dal should look like. Now use a mathni or ravi, whatever you call it, and whisk the dal. So this is what the dal should look like. It shouldn't be over mashed, but not you shouldn't be able to see whole dal pieces inside. This should be the texture, right texture. Now heat a kadhi or a pan and add approximately 1 to 2 tablespoon oil and let it heat really well. And then add 1.5 teaspoon mustard seeds or rye, 2 to 3 dried whole red chillies, approximately 8 to 10 curry leaves. You can add more or less as per your taste, 1/4 teaspoon Asafoetida or Hing, and here I'm adding 8 to 9 sambar onions. These are small, but if you do not have these, you can use your regular onion, 1 medium-sized onion cut into big pieces. Now 4 to 5 drumsticks, also called as sajan phali, 1/4 cup bottle gourd or Lauki, 1/4 cup pumpkin, Kaddu, 1 big sized finely chopped tomato, 1/4 cup brinjal or Baingan. Well, my mom also adds a ladyfinger or bhindi. Let me know in the comment section if you know about it, because I personally like having bhindi in sambar, but I thought you might find it really weird, so I did not add in this video. But you may add if you want. 1/4 teaspoon turmeric or haldi, because we've already added haldi in dal as well, so just for the amount of vegetables. Some salt as per taste. We have also added salt in the dal, so make sure you add salt accordingly. Now half to 1 teaspoon Kashmiri red chilli powder as per your taste. So I added half and then I added half teaspoon more. Total 2.5 tablespoon sambar masala. I'm using ready-made. Well, do let me know if it's sambar or sambar, because most of the times I call it sambar and not sambar. Now add some water and you need to cook these vegetables. So make sure you do not completely cook this. These should be like half done, we can say, because when the sambar would boil, the vegetables would cook more and we don't want them to get really soft and mix with the sambar. A little more water, and then after that you need to bring the vegetables to a boil. Well, some people like to add tamarind at this stage, but I've always seen my mom adding tamarind in the later stage after adding dal, so I'm going to do that. Now add the cooked dal. After adding the dal, you can adjust the consistency of sambar as per your taste, like how thick or thin you want the sambar to be. Here I've got tamarind pulp made from approximately 1 tablespoon tamarind. To make the process quick, you can soak the tamarind in warm water for 15 minutes and after that add the pulp. Well, I also do not like to add all the pulp in one go, because sometimes some people prefer less tangy sambar, some people want it to be more tangy. So add a little, taste the sambar and then adjust the tamarind. Now continue to boil the sambar. Now this is good or jaggery. This is optional. Well, my mother-in-law adds it, my mom does not add it. So I leave it up to you whether you want to add it or not. Boil the sambar for 10 to 15 minutes and you would notice that the color would change, and as you switch off the flame and let it sit for some time, the color would become more dark and better. Give this recipe a try. It tastes really amazing with dosa or idli, or sometimes I just like to have sambar with plain steamed rice. Give this recipe a try and enjoy!